Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Pass. Today we will share Bengal's traditional Niramish aloo dum or pure veg aloo dum recipe. This is very famous dish to every bong. It can be served with luchi, parota or khichuri. Luchi aloo dum and khichuri aloo dum is very favorite combo to every bong. As this recipe is without onion and garlic, hence we will share with you how you can make Niramish aloo dum is most delicious way, and also you can offer this to the goddess in pujas. So let's get started and check out the ingredients first. We have taken 1 kg 250 grams of potatoes. We have already boiled and shallow fried it. We have taken 1 cup of fresh green peas, 8 pieces of slitted green chilies, 3 pieces of tomatoes. We have taken 4 tablespoons of cashew nuts and 4 tablespoons of peanuts as well. 3 teaspoons of poppy seed or posto, 1 tablespoon of melon seeds or charmogoj, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. We have taken 2 dry red chilies, a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, a teaspoon of pach foron, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 5 to 6 seeds of green cardamom, a tablespoon of kasuri methi, half teaspoon of lemon juice, and some handful of coriander leaves. First we will make a paste. For this we have taken a mixer grinder. We will put tomatoes, cashew nuts, peanuts, poppy seeds, melon seeds, fennel seeds, grated ginger into this. Next we will put cumin powder, coriander powder into this, and we will make this into a smooth paste. Our paste is ready. Moving forward to the next step. Heat the karai and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil into this. Once the oil is hot, temper the oil with dry red chili, pach foron, cumin seeds, cloves and cinnamon sticks. Now add boiled and shallow fried potatoes into this. Saute this for 2 minutes in medium flame. Next we are adding slitted green chilies, fresh green peas followed by. Saute it well. We are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder into this and saute it well. Next we are adding amchur powder and chaat masala powder into this. Mix it very well and saute it for another 5 minutes in medium flame. Now we will add the paste which we have made before. So before that we will add a little water so that the paste won't burn. Add the paste and mix it very well. We are adding some more water. You can add water as per your requirement of the gravy. Mix it all together very well and cook it for another 5 minutes in low flame. Stir it continuously so that the masala won't stick to the bottom. We are adding some salt. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a nice mix. Next we will add the lemon juice, Kashmiri red chili powder followed by. Mix it very well. If masala dries out, add water and cook it. Do try this at home and you can have it with khichuri or luchi as you wish. And don't forget to let us know how it turned out. Now we are adding kasuri methi into this. Mix it all together. Make sure potatoes are cooked perfectly and everything is mixed properly. We are adding some chopped coriander leaves and give this a nice mix. Niramish aloo dum or pure veg aloo dum is almost done. Last, we will add a tablespoon of ghee from the top of it. Switch off the gas and give it a quick mix. Our Niramish Aloo Dum or pure veg aloo dum is done and ready. Transfer this into a serving bowl and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe.